Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Gamers. Today I'm gonna show you how to add friends on Stumble guys. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open application and after that click on friends. On the top right corner of the screen you can see add option. You have to click on that. Here you have to search the name of your friend and click on search. You can see invite option there. You have to click on that and invitation will be sent to your friend. So this is how you add your friends on Stumble guys. I hope you find this video very helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.